guys, welcome to Bearfoot Adventures. We are here in Sebring, Florida. Hometown Takeover just did their magic and re-energized the town.
The circle.
The circle. We are just off the circle at Sophie's Cafe, which is actually in the old Salvation Army building. We just had lunch. Fred had a Cuban. I had 2 empanadas. It was wonderful. It was very reasonable.
And I'm not
priced.
a fan of empanadas, but it was delicious.
Yes,
guys.
Fred does not like them.
I would definitely get one if I can.
I think he's turned the corner.
Yeah.
It was delicious. Come join us at our next stop. We're going to get some ice cream at the soda shop.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Thanks. Hey guys, we're here at the Sebring soda shop.
It's our second location.
We had some wonderful ice cream in there. There are lots of different sodas if you're into sodas. And we hope that you enjoy these little videos.
And if you don't already know, this is part of the hometown makeover in Sebring, Florida. Yeah, they did a bunch of locations. We just came to 2 of them. Came over here for the day. About what? Hour and a half from Tampa?
Yep, about an hour and a half. And hope you guys enjoy these videos.
Sorry for the noise.
Have some yummy ice cream. And we will
See you around the campfire. Thanks, guys.